Good morning, good morning. It's day 162, and today we are still working on telling time by reading a clock, and we're going to be using iExcel to help us. Before we dive into how to log on, just want to review very quickly how to read a clock. So, background, 24 hours in a day, hours restart at 12, 60 minutes. We can label each of the large numbers by counting by fives, and then each of the smaller tick marks represent 1 minute. To tell time on the clock, you first label the large numbers, skip counting by fives. You circle the hour hand, draw a line through it. If it's pointing straight to the number, it's that hour. If it's between two numbers, then you lean back and take the smaller number. You do the same thing with the minute hand, draw a line through it and decide what number it's pointing to. Sometimes it's pointing straight to a large number, so you can count by fives. Sometimes it's pointing to a smaller tick mark, so you have to skip count by fives and then count by ones. You then combine the hour with the minute to write the time. So we're going to do that using iExcel. So in order to log on to iExcel, you're going to pull up a tab. You're going to type in iexcel.com. You're going to sign in with your username and password. Your username and password. Your username is first name, last name, 149. Password is Kip2028. You're going to sign in. Definitely misspelled. My username and password. Now that I'm signed in, I'm going to scroll over 7 skills suggested by your teacher. You are going to click the top skill, read clocks and write times. It is then going to take you through different questions to help you tell time on a clock. In case you're like, ooh, not really ready, remember you can click Learn with an Example. It will take you exactly through how to do the exercise, and then once you feel comfortable, you can go back to practice, and then you can go through. So I'm going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, back at 0. Start with the hour hand. It looks like it's pointing between 3 and 4, so I lean back and take 3. Cannot forget to include my symbol for telling time. The minute hand, it looks like it's pointing straight through the 5, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I'm going to write on this clock, it's 3:25. Click submit. Yay! I'm going to do that for all of these questions until I get through. Remember, when you are done, it will submit your score to me. Please take your time. I think some of us rush through iExcel, and we don't need to rush. It's the same skills and strategies we're practicing just on this website. Please make sure that you are going through step by step using the criteria for success to help you. If you have any questions, as always, please reach out to me. Good luck.